Today we are talking about the dress 1920s. First, you are going to buy the fabrics. It is 1 yard, and fabric has the fringe. I fold the fabric in half. I tilt it in a way 3 inches up here. I take the fringe from this line off and I sewed it up here. Take this line from here up and sewed it up to here. So here create more space. Otherwise you look very heavy like this. I also create a little bit more fringe. And you can tell the fringe line of the fabrics originally there. So this is the other side. I put a little bit middle things so to make it look more interesting. 3 inches up, 9.5 here. You just curve it. The shoulder 3 inches. It's 9 inches here. Here is the bust line, and from here it's a waist line, but make it loose.